Hi, welcome to our program. Now there is a new type of material that may offer a special coating on the surface of almost any object, paper, plastic, glass and wood, and the silvery coating appears in a metallic way. This new material has been widely used in cosmetics, home appliances, automobiles and aeroplanes. If you want to know more about it, please follow us to the Hangul Steep and find the key man, Mr. Duo Shuangtang.
蓝蓝的天上白云飘，白云下面猫儿跑，回东边儿响。
The Holingao Steppe is the place where Genghis Khan and his descendants marched into the central China and the other part of the world. It is also the site of a manufacturing enterprise, Inner Mongolia Sunrise New Materials Co. Limited, which covers an area of 540,000 square meters with an estimated annual production of 200,000 tons of aluminum powder and 10,000 tons of aluminum paste. The first phase from the project construction to the production of 50,000 ton aluminum powder only took less than 1 year. Sunrise, as a marvelous pearl in the beautiful Holingao Steppe, is expected to be the largest manufacturer across the world in terms of aluminum powder and aluminum paste. Sunrise, founded in 2002 and headquartered in Hefei, in an aluminum powder and aluminum paste manufacturing enterprise with R&D, production, and sales competitiveness. Its overall strength ranks the first in this industry in China. Its founder, Mr. Zhu Shuangdan, a gentleman of perseverance and even stubbornness, has devoted more than 20 years of passion and sweat to this course. The industry of aluminum powder and aluminum paste. Let's find more about this entrepreneur. After graduating from college in 1997, Mr. Zhu Shuangdan worked as a salesman in an aluminum paste plant in Jiangsu province. In the February of 1998, he was sent to Guangdong province for market expansion. At that time, there were only several aluminum paste producers in China. Chinese producers were latecomers with little competence in the high-end segmentation. Years of study, exploration, and accumulation has equipped Zhu Shuangdan with a good command of the technical know-how of aluminum paste production, as well as an insightful commitment to the promising industry. He made up his mind to start up his own plant.
At that time, there were only less than 5 aluminum paste manufacturers in China. The mainstream market was almost monopolized by foreign producers. When I came to know this industry better, the production process of aluminum paste was not as complicated. As a finance-majored salesperson, I could easily find that the gross profit margin of foreign products was as high as 400% to 500%. Such steep profit. Why not build my own startup?
In 2002, Zhu Shuangdan returned to his hometown Huashan village from Guangdong and invested all his savings to build a factory. On November 18 of the same year, Sunrise was founded. It only took 3 months from the start of construction to the production and operation. During that time, Mr. Zhu only had 1 day off for the Spring Festival. He could clearly remember they spent less than 2 months producing the first 16 barrels of aluminum paste in the simple plant with only 2 sets of production equipment and 3 workers. Moreover, these products sell like hotcakes in Guangdong market, and Mr. Zhu earned the first bucket of gold. Continued to set a production bases in Anqing, Hefei, Tongling, and Lu'an. China has paid more and more attention to the environmental issues, and the energy-saving and environmentally friendly water-based aluminum paste has ushered in an unprecedented development. As early as in 2006, international investigations and studies made Zhu Shuangdan greatly raised environmental awareness, and he became committed to the R&D of energy-saving and environmentally friendly water-based products. In order to achieve the technological breakthrough, he invested heavily to purchase top R&D and testing equipment. Sunrise successfully developed in 2007 its own water-based aluminum paste, which could reduce the VOC emission in the coating process for environmental protection. This product won the Industrial Technology Innovation Award in 2011, and Sunrise chaired the formulation of the industrial standard for this product in 2014. Now, Sunrise, having earned more than 40 invention patents and over 100 technical achievements, is continuing to increase its investment in R&D and lead the development of the whole industry. When a company grows, it doesn't always go well. The year of 2009 witnessed the booming development of Sunrise, but in that year, the whole industry suddenly ran short of aluminum powder, the key raw material. Consequently, the price soared. Even worse, it became not available at some crucial times, and the production and sales were seriously hampered. That challenge situation put Mr. Zhu under unprecedented pressure. But Zhu Shuangdan, as an emulative entrepreneur, told himself he would produce aluminum powder himself so as to break the shackles of raw material shortage. However, it is easier said than done.
At first, I knew the production equipment and process of aluminum powder would be far more complicated than aluminum paste, so we gave up the idea of producing aluminum powder. Later on, we came to realize that we had to secure the raw material supply, so we made many investigations and explorations of the technical know-how and finally decided to set up our own aluminum powder plant in my hometown, Huashan Village.
Aluminum powder has a promising market prospect, for it is not only the main raw material for aluminum paste, but also widely used in solar photovoltaic cells, the material industry, aerospace, and other fields. Sunrise has increased its aluminum powder production scale thanks to several years of development. In order to further improve its market share and improve its quality, Sunrise collaborated in 2016 with Shandong Xinfa Group, the world's second largest electrolytic aluminum plant, and changed the traditional process of aluminum powder production with aluminum ingots into direct use of molten aluminum for atomization and powder spraying. It's energy-saving and cost-effective. Meanwhile, the quality of the aluminum powder is improved. Currently, Sunrise ranks the first in the aluminum powder industry in terms of production capacity and market share. For more than 20 years, Sunrise has made extraordinary achievements thanks to the Mr. Zhu's dedication to and his passion for the aluminum powder and paste industries. Now, the aluminum powder and paste in Sunrise, boasting their technical strength and product performance, have been exported to more than 50 countries and regions in the Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Europe, America, and Africa. With the completion of the aluminum powder project in Inner Mongolia, Mr. Zhu has more confidence in achieving more ambitious goals in the field of such new materials as aluminum powder and paste. He will further improve the technology and expand the capacity so as to lead the industry in a sustainable way. Sunrise is the industrial leader. We see it, and we will continue to witness its development.
More than 20 years of development has made Sunrise a leading enterprise in Chinese aluminium powder and paste industries. The market competition used to be focusing on the price, but now the competition arises in technology, brand and service. Just as Mr. Duo Shuangtang said, Sunrise developments cannot be attributed only to my effort. We should thank everyone in Sunrise for their engagement and commitment. We have been striving in this industry for more than 20 years and will continue to contribute to the society in the next 20 years to provide the best aluminium powder and paste to the world. This is the mission of Sunrise. Let's witness the rising sun from the grassland together. Thanks for your watching and hope to see you again.